Hello guys, in this video I am going to show you how to search among your documents on the GoodNotes application. But first I just want to mention, don't forget to subscribe to my channel because at 10,000 subscribers I am going to show you my whole YouTube revenue statistics and growth strategy, how to make money online. So let's jump into it. First of all, open the application on your phone. Then you should tap on this search icon down below, which is the second option. Now click onto the search bar and type in the document that you are looking for. As you can see, there is only one result, so you can search according to titles of your notebooks. So you can tap on the one that you have been looking for, and that's pretty much it for this video. I hope you found it helpful. If you did, consider subscribing and see you in the next video. Bye bye.